When the morning paints the sky with gold, I see your smile before the day unfolds. Every heartbeat softly calls your name. Since you came, nothing feels the same. The wind whispers stories of our love, like stars that shine in heaven above. Every dream begins and ends with you. Every promise feels forever true. Take my hand and don't let go. Where we'll end, we'll never know. As long as you're here by my side, I'll love you through every time. You are the melody inside my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever love will stay the same. In your eyes I find my home. With you I'll never be alone. No matter where this life may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. Moonlight dances gently on your face. Time stands still in your embrace. Every laugh becomes my favorite song. With you is where I belong. The world may change with every season, but loving you needs no reason. Every sunrise, every falling star reminds me how beautiful you are. Hold me close through joy and tears. We'll walk together through the years. No matter where our footsteps roam, your loving heart will be my home. You are the melody inside my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. Every heartbeat sings your name. Forever love will stay the same. In your eyes I find my home. With you I'll never be alone. No matter where this life may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. If tomorrow brings the rain, I'll still love you through the pain. If the nights become too long, you'll always be my sweetest song.